guys, всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. Today I want to show you how to make apple crumble caramel bars. They're so easy to make, they're very delicious, they're kind of healthy for you, and they were so good that I didn't even have time to film the ending of them, but I took a lot of pictures, so I'll show you how it looks at the end. And I really hope you make this recipe, and do tag me on social media at AllasYummyFood if you do. Now let's get baking. In a bowl, add your jumbo oats and then whole wheat flour together with plain cake flour. And then I'm adding a lot of cinnamon and also mixing everything together until the mixture is nice and smooth. Then into your mixture add cubed butter. It should be room temperature so it's easier to mix. And going around with your hand and mix everything together until it becomes nice and crumbly. So we are looking like a crumb consistency sort of thing. Then you want to add your mixture into a prepared baking pan lined with some baking paper and press the mixture inside. I've also said 1/3 of the mixture part, so we're going to put that on top of our cake. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. I've got here some delicious apples. We're just gonna chop them up just like that into small slices and set them aside. Once everything is pressed, you want to add your apples and line them up nice and neatly just inside and on top. I've got 3 layers here. Now I'm using my salted caramel here. I'm adding some flour inside and mixing everything together. We're gonna add this onto our apples and it's gonna be absolutely delicious. So you want to spread a couple of tablespoons on top and make sure it's nice and even, and just gently go around the cake and sort of move it about. Once you have finished with your caramel, you then want to spread your leftover crumble around. And now the cake is ready to bake. So we're going to bake this for about 25 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And it looks just like this. These come out really delicious when you slice into them, and they're very crunchy, very delicious. You get this apple cinnamon caramel flavor, very kind of crunchy base, and a lot of crumble on top. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.